Ducati officially unveils the new Panigale V2 model for 2025. A new creation with an all-new V2 engine. Lighter, more powerful and more flexible. Built with the latest Ducati V2 90° engine, the bike weighs just 176 kilograms when ready to go. It has an 890 cubic centimeters displacement with an output of 120 horsepower at 10,750 RPM and a maximum torque of 93.3 Newton meters at 8,250 RPM. This incredible performance still meets the latest 5 Euro plus emission standards. The new engine is slightly smaller than the previous Superquadro, with a 96mm bore and 61.5mm stroke configuration. However, this overbore design is designed for high revs all the way to a redline of 11,350 RPM, providing an aggressive yet smooth riding experience. Not only is this engine powerful, it is also extremely flexible. Its maximum torque is already 70% available at 3,000 RPM and increases to 80% at 4,000 RPM. Weighing just 54.5 kilograms, it is the lightest twin-cylinder ever made by Ducati. Ducati also introduces a chassis with an innovative cast aluminum monocoque structure. The double-sided swing arm inspired by the Panigale V2 provides optimal flex and stability, especially at extreme angles. Speaking of technology, the new Panigale V2 is equipped with advanced electronics, including a 6-axis IMU, traction control, engine brake control, anti-wheelie, sport ABS, and the intelligent slide-by brake feature, all controlled via 4 riding modes: race, sport, road, and wet. To support the rider's experience, Ducati has embedded a new 5-inch TFT display with a simpler and more intuitive interface design. The gear indicator and tachometer light up in green to remind you of the optimal gear shifting time. Ducati new Panigale V2 2025, a bike that redefines performance, efficiency, and versatility. Are you ready to experience the thrill